Welcome to our mindful listening practice. As usual, just taking a few moments to take 2 or 3 deep breaths. Just breathing in and having a sense of arriving. Just breathing out and just letting go of any thoughts or worries that you may have. Just setting those aside, letting them go. Breathing in, just feeling alert, noticing where you are right now. Breathing out and letting go. And deep breath in, finding your place. Breathing out, letting go. Then turning your attention to your feet on the floor, your body resting on whatever surface it's resting on. Just getting a sense of arriving, a sense of being here. Just feeling the support, feeling grounded and stable. And if you'd like to, you may want to close your eyes or lower your gaze, if that feels right for you just now. And then just starting to notice the sounds around you. Not getting caught up with labelling, not allowing yourself to be sort of distracted, holding on to any particular sound. Just noticing the sound and then moving on to the next one. A bit like scanning through radio stations. Not stopping on any particular station, just going from one to the other. Maybe just noticing things like whether they're far away, whether they're close to you. Noticing if this sound is coming from one side or the other, or if it seems to be all around. Is it loud or quiet? Is it sharp or diffuse? Maybe noticing as well how it carries through the air. What's the quality of it? If you get caught in thoughts, that's perfectly normal. Just gently bring your attention back to listening. You may need to do this several times, and that's perfectly fine. A bit like a small child or a puppy, just as it wanders, just bringing it back in a gentle way without judging yourself. Each time just coming back to listening. It might be as though the sounds are landing on you rather than you actively going out and seeking them. just being a kind of passive receptor to them, not striving in any way. Just letting them come to you. And just noticing. And maybe with that noticing any judgments you may have. Any sense of good or bad. Maybe trying to let go of those judgments. And just seeing how it is without the judgments. Allowing the natural sounds to be there and the man-made sounds all the same, just a chance to practice our listening. And then just gently widening your attention out to the wider world. So maybe bringing in a sense of your whole body sitting here. Maybe the feel of the air around you. Noticing the surface that you're resting on. Just gradually bringing a wider sense of your place and what's going on around you. And when you're ready, if your eyes have been closed, you may like to open them. And just a reminder to maybe notice the sounds as you go through your day. Just to dip into this practice at different times and to be a little bit more mindful of the sounds around you.